A pleasant day to everyone. Today, we will be discussing insights into one's personal development. Before we begin our discussion, let us now first define our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to integrate factors in personal development in making career decisions, reflect on the importance of personal development in career decisions, and analyze oneself by creating a personal profile about the factors related to personal development. Factors in development and career decisions. Human development covers the whole lifespan of human existence. As we decide on our careers, we must understand human development. According to Santos 2016, human development refers to the continuous process of growth and change throughout a person's life. When choosing a career, understanding human development helps us recognize how different factors shape our abilities and decisions. These factors include heredity, personality traits, and our environment. Since these factors plays an important role in our growth, my group members will now further elaborate on how each of them influences human development.
Heredity. Heredity is the inborn traits passed on from generation to generation from both sides of biological parents according to Santos 2016. 3. In deciding our careers, it has been mentioned that personality characteristics which are hereditary in nature are factors we have to consider.
Personality traits. Personality traits are heavily influenced by heredity. Individuals are predisposed to behave in unique and consistent ways. Personality traits such as introversion, openness to experience, and agreeableness are massively influenced by genetics. Although these traits are influenced by genetics, the environment may also play a part in the development of such traits. When choosing one's career, personality traits are considered. Thus, heredity may play an important factor in choosing a career. Sinasabi rito na ang personality traits ay heredity o namamana ng isang tao mula sa mga magulang. Ngunit kung ating susuriin ang ating mga sarili, maaaring maimpluwensyahan ang isip, ugali at pakikisalamuha ng isang tao mula sa mga nakapaligid sa atin. Dahil sa personality traits, madali nating ma-identify ang gustong maging karera ng isang tao. Halimbawa, ang isang tao ay mahiyain o introvert at hindi magaling makisama. Maaaring ang gusto nitong karera ay hindi masyadong nangangailangan ng makikihalubilo sa maraming tao, tulad ng pagsusulat, pananaliksik o graphic design.
Environment. Environment is a world outside of ourselves. This includes the experiences that result from our contact with our world. Our behaviors, including career decisions, are learned from our environment. Learning occurs through association, consequences, and cognitive constructs that we observe from our environment. The social interaction, culture, and situations that we are in naturally from our environment. All these factors are considered in career decisions. External factors that were mentioned, including job market, preference, and school location, are parts of our environment. Ang environment or kapaligiran daw ay ang mundo sa labas ng ating sarili, kabilang ang mga karanasang nakukuha natin mula sa ugnayan natin dito. Ayon sa mga pag-aaral, ang ating asal at mga desisyong pangkarera ay natutunan mula sa kapaligiran. Natuto tayo sa pamamagitan ng ugnayan, mga bunga ng kilos at mga ideyang nakikita natin sa paligid. Ang ugnayang panlipunan, kultura at mga sitwasyong kinabibilangan natin ay bahagi ng ating kapaligiran at lahat ng ito ay mga epekto sa pagpili ng karera. Kasama rin dito ang mga panlabas na salik gaya ng kagustuhan sa trabaho o lokasyon ng pag-aaral.
The importance of personal development in career decisions. Human development is not a linear progression that occurs similarly from person to person. Personal development or self-development must be considered in choosing our career. It is defined as the understanding of one's physical, cognitive, social, psychological, and spiritual development to understand oneself and making important decisions to become a better person. In creating important decisions, one must reflect on the different aspects of the self. You must be able to understand one's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors in conjunction with the different aspects of the self. Human development does not follow a fixed and identical pattern for everyone. Each person grows and changes in unique ways. That is why personal development or self-development is essential when making career choices. As mentioned, Santos 2016 defines personal development as understanding one's physical, cognitive, social, psychological, and spiritual growth to gain self-awareness and make meaningful decisions that contributes to becoming a better person. When making important career decisions, it is important to reflect on different aspects of oneself. This involves understanding your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors and how they interact with different areas of personal growth. Personal development has 5 aspects, namely cognitive development, social development, physiological development, spiritual development, and the psychological development. To gain a deeper understanding of these aspects, I will now turn it over to my group members, who will further elaborate on each one.
Cognitive development. Cognition is defined as thinking according to OpenStax College 2014. This includes processes associated with thinking such as perception, knowledge, problem solving, language, and memory. In career decisions, we use our cognition in identifying which career path is appropriate for us. Intelligence is a factor that is commonly considered in career decisions. In career decisions, it is important for us to evaluate ourselves if we have analytical, creative, and practical intelligence. This could be done through self-reflection or asking a career counselor for an intelligence test.
Social development. Social development involves the manner by which we interact with other individuals or group of individuals. Our sense of self, including career decisions, interacts with how we interact with our social roots. For example, when deciding about a career, we often ask our family or friends for some advice. The different perspective of the individuals we interact with may affect our career decision.
Physiological development. Physiological development involves one's physical attributes, including one's physical senses, by Santos 2016. The person's physique, body, and health are areas that are commonly used to describe such as aspects and affect his or her career decisions. Ang physiological development ay tumutukoy sa pisikal na aspeto ng isang tao. Kabilang na ang kanyang pisikal na pandama o senses ayon kay Santos. Kasama rito ang pangangatawan, kalusugan at pisikal na anyo ng tao. Ang mga aspetong ito ay mahalaga dahil maaaring makaapekto dito ang mga desisyon ng isang tao tungkol sa kanyang career. Halimbawa na lamang ang pisikal na kalagayan o kakayahan ng isang tao ay maaaring makadikta o kung anong trabaho ang angkop sa kanya o kaya niyang gawin. Somehow, our physical health reflects the lifestyle and the kind of lives we lead. By Magalona and Salting Sadsad 2016. For instance, in deciding on a career path, we often consider our personal health. If we have health problems, we will think twice about choosing a career that is physically strenuous. Sa ilang paraan, ang ating pisikal na kalusugan ay sumasalamin sa ating pamumuhay ayon kina Magalona at Salting Sadsad. Halimbawa na lamang, kapag nagpapasya sa isang career, madalas nating isadala sa alang-alang ang ating personal na kalusugan. Kung mayroon tayong mga problema sa kalusugan, maaaring magdalawang isip tayo sa pagpili ng isang career na nakakapagod physically. Ito ay dahil ang mga trabahong nangangailangan ng maraming pisikal na gawain ay maaaring hindi angkop para sa mga taong may karamdaman o limitasyon sa kalusugan. Kaya, importante na isaalang-alang ang kalusugan sa pagpili ng career. Bakit? Upang masiguro natin ang ating kapakanan at tagumpay sa hinaharap.
Spiritual development. Spiritual development involves a person's consciousness and beliefs, including the values and virtues that guide and put meaning into a person's life. Spiritual development is related to concepts such as morality, values, and virtues. Morality is a principle of how individuals distinguish what is right from what is wrong. When choosing a career, our spiritual development and personal value system are often considered. For example, if a person would choose to be a lawyer as a career path, he or she would have to face a lot of moral dilemmas that need evaluation.
Psychological development. Psychological development involves how thinking, feeling, and behaving happen in a person. Stated by Santos in 2016, it is related to socio-emotional processes in which changes in one's relationship with other people and changes in emotion and personality are involved. Sabi dito, ang psychological development ay ang natural na paglago ng isang tao o tayo sa paraan ng pag-iisip, pagdama at pakikitungo natin sa kapwa. Kasama na rin dito ang pagbabago natin sa emosyon, ugali, at relasyon habang tayo lumalaki at nakakaranas ng iba't ibang sitwasyon sa buhay. Psychological development spans different concepts and ideas that are related to oneself. Self-concept is defined as what we know and believe about ourselves, stated by Myers in 2010. However, self-concept tends to adjust to our situation if we interact with the same people in our life. Then they are important contributors to our identity. Sinasabi dito na ang pagkatao ng isang tao ay nabubuo mula sa kanyang pagtingin sa sarili na tinatawag na self-concept. Nagbabago ito depende sa mga karanasan at sa mga taong madalas nating nakakasama dahil sila ay may malaking epekto sa kung paano natin nakikilala ang ating sarili. Sabi nga ni Myers noong 2010, what we know and believe about ourselves. Sa wikang Tagalog, sa wikang Filipino, kung ano ang alam at pinaniniwalaan natin tungkol sa ating sarili, ito ay ang kabuang pagtingin at pagkaunawa natin sa ating sarili at kung sino tayo. Ano ang mga kakayahan natin, mga kahinaan, ugali, paniniwala at kung paano tayo nakikitungo sa iba. One important consideration in a career decision is the emotional consideration. For example, psychologists should be able to handle negative emotions from their client. If a psychologist develops an unconsciously emotional response to a client, such as having a pity towards the client, then the psychologist would not be effective in his or her job.